they are mostly neglected. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So our feet are the most used body parts externally for us. They take so much pressure, suffer so much wear and tear, and yet they are mostly neglected. So today we are going to talk about a very simple basic foot care routine which will ensure that you get beautiful, supple, healthy feet. So if this is a topic that you are interested, please ensure that you keep watching till the end. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean so much to me. Also ensure to hit the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, there are two reasons as per my understanding why your feet deserve the care that they do. First, obviously, as I mentioned, your entire body weight is on your feet. They work for you entire day, so obviously they suffer a lot of pressure, and obviously that causes a wear and tear, and hence they need your love and care to ensure that they are restored and they remain healthy. And second important thing, as per my personal opinion, is that after your face, the second thing that gets noticed by most of the people is your feet. So if you have healthy, beautiful feet, then obviously it helps ensuring that you get a very good first impression. So let's start with the basic foot care regime that I am just going to tell you. The first step is obviously to use a pumice stone. If you don't know what a pumice stone is, then this is how it looks. You can get it in anywhere of your nearby shops, kirana shops or wherever. This basically helps you to get remove of all the dead skin cells or the dead skin that is there on your feet. So in case you have very dry feet, and if you have a lot of dead skin, then ensure that you use 5 to 10 minutes and dip your feet into the water so that the skin becomes a little more soft, and then you can remove those dead skin cells very easily. So the second thing that I do is I use a foot scrub or a foot scrub soap. This is from a brand called Wadi Herbals, and this is how it looks. It's a very inexpensive soap. This is actually to be used for your elbow, foot and knee. So basically these are the areas where you develop dead skins, and then normally in your daily bathing routine you are not able to clean it. So this soap really helps you in that. So this is how this soap looks. I'm sure you are able to see a lot of particles in this. So these are actually the exfoliating particles, and then this is how obviously the soap looks. So it removes dirt, dark spots and dead skin cells. I'm not sure about the dark spots that much. I have been using it for a very long time. I haven't seen like a remarkable change in the coloration of the skin, but definitely 100% it removes the dirt like none of our business. Like once you clean your feet or your elbow or your knees with it, you will just feel your skin is squeaky clean. So it definitely does remove all the dirt. It has scrubbing particles. It also helps in removing the dead skin cells as well. This has almond, this has walnut, aloe vera and coconut. All of these are super good for your skin. So basically walnut is being used for exfoliating of your skin, while almond smooths even skin tone, aloe vera moisturizes, coconut as well. We already know that coconut is such good beneficial for our skin. So this soap has everything. It has been working amazing for me. I've been using it for more than a year, and it's definitely a part of my daily routine. The next step is definitely to moisturize. So one of the best foot creams that I've ever come across is again from the same brand called Wadi. This is the Wadi foot care cream. I have also been using this for almost 2 years now. So actually this is available on Nykaa. It comes into various packages, like the 50 grams, which is a very small box, then 150 grams, which is this one, and also 500 grams big tub. I've already used that tub and finished it. So I really love this foot cream. So this basically has sandalwood, clove oil, cocoa butter and jojoba oil. So all of these are super good. So sandalwood, it removes dark patches, pigmentation. Clove oil is disinfectant, so it protects your feet from any kind of bacterial or fungal infection which can happen specifically in the season of monsoon. Cocoa butter and jojoba oil, it deeply moisturizes your feet. So again, then on the pigmentation part, I can't say that much, but definitely from a moisturizing perspective, it has amazingly worked for me, and also on the antibacterial thing. So since this has clove oil, so that is very much helpful to ensure that you don't get any fungal infection in your feet, which might happen because your feet get exposed to so much dirt and water and whatnot, and specifically as I mentioned in the monsoon season. So it has been working amazingly for me. So basically both me and my husband use it every day. This is the love of our life. I mean, there's no day I can do without this cream. And to me, actually, this cream smells amazing because I love lemongrass as a smell. I don't know if it's too strong for you, then probably you might not like the smell of it because it is very, very strong, but I really like it. But yes, I think it doesn't linger on for a very long time. Probably in about 15-20 minutes it's actually gone. You will not feel it, and actually since it is on your feet, so you can't really smell it from so far for a very long time. Only when you are actually applying it, then you will feel that okay, it's very overpowering, it's very, very lemongrassy. But for me, I love lemongrass. I mean, this gives me so much of aromatherapeutic feeling. I love the smell of it, and I can keep smelling it the entire day. So I love the smell. Maybe if you're not a fan of very strong smell, it might put you off, but I think I would still say that you can definitely go ahead and try it, because still this is not on your face, it's on your feet, so it should not bother you that much. Just let me tell you how the texture of this cream is. So this is how the cream looks like. So it's pretty light. Once you apply it on your skin, it definitely gets absorbed very, very, very quickly, like as you can see. And then obviously it kind of leaves a very beautiful sheen, and specifically you can see it on your feet. Your feet suddenly become so much glowy and beautiful and supple, and they look like they have been loved. So I hope you can see the sheen that it gives. It's very, very beautiful. And this has a little bit of slippery feel, but to be honest, I think the feet need a lot more moisturization as compared to your face. So it has it is like very slippery and a little bit oily, but I believe that really helps, and it gets very easily absorbed into your skin. So probably in a minute it will be gone. In terms of how many times you should use it, so probably the best is you do use it twice in a day, once in the morning after you bathe, and secondly in the night time before you go off to sleep. Just clean your feet a bit and then apply this cream in, and your feet will look so plush and beautiful and glowing. The best feeling that you can get. Okay, and the last step is to ensure that you use a good sunscreen. You could use any sunscreen that you like. There are no specific sunscreen that I want to mention here, but any sunscreen that you like, probably as SPF 30 or 40 plus, that will ensure that your feet are also protected from sun, especially now we are in summers. So whenever you go out, please ensure that your feet also have sunscreen. So guys, these were the very easy, simple steps. So if you totally calculate, it will not take you more than a minute to just give the love to your feet that they deserve. Hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to bring and share with you these simple tips that you could just incorporate in your daily routine. We will meet the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.